A lot of people consume sof, also known as fennel seeds, usually post their meals or to refresh their breath. But did you know that fennel seeds are full of fibers, minerals and antioxidants, and all these things works as wonder when you are about to lose weight or when you want to lose weight, because these are fat burning properties. It also helps in maintaining good health. Now if you're someone who's wondering how can sof really lead to weight loss, then this video is for you. This is me, Meena Devan, and you're watching The Health Site.
Fennel water. Take 1 or 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, add a glass full of water and leave it overnight. Drink it first thing in the morning. Fennel tea. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds to hot water, let it rest for about 10 minutes and then consume it 3 times a day. Health benefits of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are a rich source of fiber which prevents cravings and overeating. This results in weight loss. Fennel seeds reduces fat storage by improving vitamin and mineral absorption in the body. They are responsible for kick-starting your metabolism, and a healthy metabolism is a key to a healthy weight loss. Oxidative stress in the body can lead to obesity and diabetes-like condition, and consuming fennel seeds will lower your stress as well.
Well, I hope this helps. Do let us know your experience. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to stay healthy and stay fit.